Warrensville and Oakwood, Northfield and Macedonia. I'm concerned about you folks having to deal with this hook echo that we're seeing right here on our screen. There's the hook, right there. All right, already reports of a funnel cloud from this hook echo. We just got a shot from Jason's brother in Royalton showing the wall cloud, which is a lowering of the thunderstorm base. And that's signifying that the storm is spinning so fast in the middle of it begins to form a column that begins to reach down toward the ground. And the first sign of that spin reaching down toward the ground is a lowering of the base in a certain spot, and that's called a wall cloud. But right there is our hook echo. And again, large hail, Parma, look at that. Independence, wow, South Park. Big time hail there. And again, the movement is east at 36 miles an hour. Looks like it's slowed down a little bit. That might be a little bit off because it's still underneath the radar. Okay, it's still underneath the radar. All of this purple color here, Parma, that's all hail. Okay, that's all significant hail. Again, we're seeing wind. 1-inch hail reports in Parma. Okay, again, if you get some large hail falling on your back deck, I want you to go out and snap a photo of it. But what you need to do first of all is you need to basically get a nickel or a quarter or a dime against that hailstone so that we can compare the size. That makes it more impressive, and that's an official storm report that way. So don't just take a shot of the hail by itself. Take a shot of it maybe with a ruler next to it or a quarter or a nickel. There it is. That storm is moving east, due east, between, let's say, 40 and 50 miles an hour. And again, large hail really showing up. Looks like our hook echo is beginning to shift a little bit south of Route 82 now, just south of Royalton, between Route 94 and 176. Right there is our hook echo. Let me give you a couple more streets. And the hook echo is a radar signature that we have a rapidly spinning portion of the thunderstorm, and that's the first sign that a tornado's brewing. Okay, here we go. Wiltshire Road. We've got all these neighborhoods right here. Fireside Trail. If you've got friends or family in Royalton, Brecksville, Broadview Heights, Macedonia, you need to give them a call right now. They might be outside. They may not be watching TV. They may not know what's coming. So we need to let them know. There's Metropolitan Park Drive. There is East Edgerton Road. And again, this storm is going to be within the next